Number 7, we are doing more of that syncopation. So make sure that you are very comfortable with number 6. Loop that video as many times as you have to. And because we're moving our fingers, Dankla has a great staccato, or I'm sorry, a great syncopation warm up. And so hopefully you'll be able to get to that one. It has a couple of shifts, and it's just so fun. All right, number 7, we're still in G major, and we are on the A and D string. We're not going on to the E string. So D D D B B A B G D D D B B A G F G rest. A B C A B B C D B D D B B D D D B B A G F G. Make sure that high 2 is really high so that we can have that nice T-do. Oh, that's so cute. All right, we'll do it with the repeat. Down, up, down, up. I don't think we have to lift before the second line, so let's give it a go. 1 and ready, go. Yes, lift. Beginning, go.